Hello, and welcome to Speak Better Practice.
I've been waiting for this episode. Food is one of my favorite subjects.
Mine too. I think everyone loves talking about food, right?
Definitely. So, let's jump right in.
So, Tom, before we start, how are you doing today?
I'm doing wonderful, thanks for asking. Actually, I'm feeling a bit hungry. I didn't eat enough breakfast this morning.
Oh no. What did you have for breakfast?
Just a quick bowl of cereal, nothing special. I was running late for work, so I didn't have time to make anything nice.
Cereal is okay, but yeah, not very filling. I had scrambled eggs with toast this morning. Much better.
That sounds delicious. I love scrambled eggs. What did you do last night? Did you cook dinner?
Yes, I did. I made stir-fried vegetables with chicken and rice. It was really tasty.
Oh, stir fry. That's one of my favorites. Did you use a lot of spices?
Yes, I used garlic, ginger, and a little bit of soy sauce. Very simple, but very flavorful.
That sounds amazing. You're making me even more hungry now.
Sorry. Well, speaking of food, let's get into today's main topic. We're going to talk about our favorite foods and teach you some useful vocabulary.
Yes. And we'll share some personal stories about food too. Food is very personal, you know. It connects us to memories and people we love.
That's so true. Okay, let's begin.
Before we dive deep into the conversation, let's quickly talk about an important grammar structure you'll hear today.
Yes, when we talk about preferences and favorites, we use specific phrases. The most common ones are I like, I love, I prefer, and my favorite is.
Exactly. For example, you can say, I like pizza, or I love chocolate cake.
If you want to compare two things, you use prefer. For example, I prefer tea to coffee, or I prefer spicy food over mild food.
And when you want to express your absolute number one choice, you say, my favorite food is sushi, or my favorite drink is orange juice.
Great! Now let's see how we use these phrases in real conversation. Pay attention as Tom and I talk about our favorite foods.
Ready? Let's go.
Okay, Tom, big question for you. What is your all-time favorite food? If you could only eat one thing forever, what would it be?
Oh, wow. That's a tough question. There are so many foods I love, but if I really had to choose just one, I think I would say tacos.
Tacos! That's a great choice. Why do you love tacos so much?
Well, tacos are incredibly versatile. That means they can be made in many different ways. You can have beef tacos, chicken tacos, fish tacos, even vegetarian tacos with just beans and vegetables.
True. And you can add so many different toppings.
Exactly. You can add cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, salsa, guacamole, sour cream. The possibilities are endless. Every taco can be different.
I love that. What's your favorite type of taco?
I really love fish tacos. They're usually made with grilled or fried fish, cabbage, a creamy sauce, and a squeeze of lime. So fresh and delicious.
That does sound good. Do you make tacos at home or do you go to restaurants?
Both. Sometimes I make them at home on Taco Tuesday. Do you know what Taco Tuesday is?
Yes. It's a fun tradition where people eat tacos every Tuesday.
That's right. It's a popular thing in the United States. But I also love going to authentic Mexican restaurants for really good tacos.
Nice. Okay, my turn. My absolute favorite food is ramen.
Ramen. Oh, I love ramen too. Do you mean instant ramen or real authentic ramen from a restaurant?
Definitely authentic ramen. The kind you get at a proper ramen shop with a rich, flavorful broth.
What's your favorite type of ramen?
I love tonkatsu ramen. That's the one with a creamy pork bone broth. It's so rich and satisfying.
Oh yes, that's delicious. What toppings do you like on your ramen?
I like the classic toppings. Soft-boiled eggs, green onions, bamboo shoots, seaweed, and tender slices of pork belly. Just thinking about it makes me hungry.
Me too. When did you first try authentic ramen?
About 5 years ago, I visited Japan and had real ramen there for the first time. It was incredible. Since then, I've been obsessed with finding good ramen restaurants wherever I go.
That's a wonderful food memory. Food and travel go together so well, don't they?
They really do. Okay, let's talk about breakfast foods. Tom, what's your favorite breakfast?
For breakfast, I'm a big fan of a classic American breakfast: eggs, bacon, hash browns, and toast.
That's a hearty breakfast. How do you like your eggs?
I like them sunny side up. That means the yolk is still runny, not fully cooked.
Oh, interesting. Some people call those dippy eggs because you can dip your toast in the yolk.
Yes, exactly. It's so good. What about you? What's your favorite breakfast?
I prefer something lighter. My favorite is Greek yogurt with granola, fresh berries, and a drizzle of honey.
That sounds healthy and delicious. Very refreshing for the morning.
It is, and it gives me energy for the day without making me feel too full. Plus, it's quick to prepare.
That's important. Nobody wants to spend an hour making breakfast on a busy morning.
Exactly. Now let's talk about lunch. What do you usually eat for lunch?
For lunch, I often have a big, loaded sandwich. My favorite is a turkey club sandwich.
A club sandwich. Can you describe what's in it?
Sure, it has turkey, bacon, lettuce, tomato, and mayonnaise, all between 3 slices of toasted bread.
3 slices? Why 3?
I don't know. That's just how club sandwiches are made. It makes them extra big and filling.
Interesting. I usually eat a lighter lunch. I like to have a quinoa salad with grilled chicken, cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, and feta cheese.
That sounds very healthy. Do you make it yourself or buy it?
I usually prepare it at home and bring it to work in a container. It's much cheaper than buying lunch every day.
Smart. I should start doing that too. Now, the big meal of the day, dinner. What's your favorite dinner, Lily?
For dinner, I absolutely love a good steak with roasted vegetables and mashed potatoes.
Oh, yes. How do you like your steak cooked?
Medium rare. That means it's cooked on the outside but still pink and juicy on the inside.
Perfect. That's exactly how I like mine too. What kind of vegetables do you have with it?
Usually roasted Brussels sprouts, carrots, and asparagus. I toss them in olive oil, salt, and pepper, then roast them in the oven until they're crispy.
That sounds absolutely delicious. For me, my favorite dinner is homemade lasagna.
Lasagna. Do you make it yourself?
I do. It takes a long time to prepare, but it's worth it. Layers of pasta, meat sauce, ricotta cheese, and mozzarella cheese, all baked until it's golden and bubbly.
That sounds heavenly. Do you use a family recipe?
Yes, it's my grandmother's recipe. She taught me how to make it when I was a teenager. Every time I make it, I think of her.
That's so sweet. That's what we call comfort food. Food that makes you feel warm, happy, and connected to memories.
Exactly. What's your comfort food, Lily?
My comfort food is my mom's chicken noodle soup. Whenever I was sick as a child, she would make it for me.
Chicken soup is the ultimate comfort food. It's warm, soothing, and full of love.
Yes. Even now, when I'm feeling down or sick, I crave that soup.
Do you make it yourself now?
I try, but it never tastes quite as good as my mom's. I think she has a secret ingredient she won't tell me.
That's how moms are. They always have secret ingredients. Okay, let's talk about desserts. Do you have a sweet tooth?
Oh, yes, I definitely have a sweet tooth. That means I really love sweet foods. My favorite dessert is chocolate lava cake.
Ooh, the one with the melted chocolate in the middle?
Yes, when you cut into it, warm chocolate sauce flows out. It's incredible, especially with a scoop of vanilla ice cream on top.
That sounds amazing. I'm more of a pie person myself. I love apple pie with vanilla ice cream.
Classic. Do you like it warm or cold?
Definitely warm, fresh from the oven. And the ice cream melts a little bit on top. Oh, perfect.
You're making me so hungry right now. Let's talk about snacks. What's your go-to snack when you're watching TV or a movie?
I'm a salty snack person. I love potato chips, especially barbecue-flavored ones. I can easily finish a whole bag while watching a movie.
I understand. For me, I like to snack on mixed nuts. Almonds, cashews, walnuts. They're crunchy and satisfying.
That's healthier than my choice. Do you ever eat sweet snacks?
Sometimes, when I want something sweet, I eat dark chocolate. Just a few squares with a cup of tea.
Dark chocolate is good for you, right? I heard it has antioxidants.
Yes, in moderation. Everything in moderation is the key.
True. Now, let's talk about drinks. What's your favorite beverage?
I love herbal tea, especially chamomile tea in the evening. It helps me relax before bed.
I'm a coffee person. I need my coffee every morning or I can't function.
How do you take your coffee?
Just black, no sugar, no cream. I like the pure, strong coffee flavor.
Wow, that's intense. I can't drink black coffee. Too bitter for me.
It's an acquired taste. That means you need to try it many times before you start liking it.
Makes sense. Okay, one more question, Tom. Is there any food you absolutely cannot eat? A food you really dislike?
Yes, mushrooms. I cannot stand mushrooms.
Really? Why not?
The texture. They're too slimy and rubbery. I just can't get past it.
That's fair. Everyone has that one food they can't stand. For me, it's oysters. Raw oysters.
Oh, I love oysters. See, everyone is different.
Exactly. And that's what makes food conversations so interesting. We all have different tastes and preferences.
Okay, everyone, now it's time to review the important vocabulary words we used today. This will help you remember them better.
Yes, we're going to go through the key words slowly and give you clear examples.
First word, versatile. Can you explain this, Lily?
Sure. Versatile means something can be used in many different ways or adapted easily. For example, chicken is a versatile ingredient because you can grill it, bake it, fry it, or use it in soups.
Another example. Rice is versatile. You can eat it with almost any dish.
Great! Let's say it together. Versatile.
Versatile. Next word, toppings. These are the extra things you put on top of food. For example, pizza toppings include pepperoni, mushrooms, and olives.
For ice cream, toppings can be chocolate syrup, whipped cream, sprinkles, or cherries.
Let's practice. Toppings.
The third word is authentic. This means real, genuine, or traditional. For example, I had authentic Italian pizza in Rome. It was so much better than frozen pizza.
Another example. She makes authentic Mexican tacos using her grandmother's recipe.
Everyone, repeat after us. Authentic.
Number 4, comfort food. This is food that makes you feel happy, safe, and nostalgic. It often reminds you of home or childhood.
My comfort food is mac and cheese because my dad used to make it for me every Sunday.
For many people, comfort food is soup, casseroles, or homemade desserts.
Let's say it together. Comfort food.
Comfort food. The fifth word is sweet tooth. If you have a sweet tooth, it means you really love sweet foods and desserts.
For example, I have such a sweet tooth. I eat chocolate every single day.
Or, my sister has a sweet tooth, so I bought her a birthday cake and cookies.
Let's practice. Sweet tooth.
Sweet tooth. Next important word, hearty. This describes food that is filling, substantial, and satisfying.
For example, after working outside in the cold, I needed a hearty meal like stew and bread.
A hearty breakfast of eggs and sausage will keep you full until lunch.
Say it with us. Hearty.
Number 7, drizzle. This is a cooking verb. It means to pour a small amount of liquid over food in a thin stream.
For example, I drizzled honey over my yogurt and fruit.
Drizzle olive oil on the salad before serving.
Let's repeat. Drizzle.
Drizzle. Eighth word, loaded. When we say a food is loaded, it means it has lots of extra ingredients or toppings.
For example, I ordered a loaded baked potato with cheese, bacon, and sour cream.
He made a loaded burger with 3 types of cheese and extra bacon.
Everyone say, loaded.
Word number 9, crave. This verb means to want something very strongly, to have an intense desire for something.
For example, I'm craving chocolate right now. I need to eat some soon.
When I'm stressed, I crave comfort food like pizza or ice cream.
Let's practice. Crave.
And our final word, acquired taste. This phrase describes food or drink that you might not like at first, but you learn to enjoy after trying it several times.
For example, coffee is an acquired taste. Most children don't like it, but many adults do.
Blue cheese is an acquired taste. The flavor is very strong and unusual.
Last time, everyone. Acquired taste.
Acquired taste. Excellent. Now let's quickly review all 10 words one more time.
Versatile.
Toppings.
Authentic.
Comfort food.
Sweet tooth.
Hearty.
Drizzle.
Loaded.
Crave.
Acquired taste.
Perfect. Now you have 10 new vocabulary words to use when talking about food in English.
Wow, what a delicious conversation that was. Let's quickly summarize what we talked about today.
Good idea. We started by sharing our absolute favorite foods. Tom loves tacos, especially fish tacos.
And Lily's favorite is authentic ramen with all the delicious toppings.
Then we went through the meals of the day. For breakfast, Tom enjoys a hearty American breakfast with eggs and bacon.
While Lily prefers a lighter breakfast with yogurt, granola, and berries.
For lunch, Tom has a loaded club sandwich.
And Lily makes a healthy quinoa salad with chicken.
For dinner, I love a good medium-rare steak with roasted vegetables.
And my favorite dinner is homemade lasagna using my grandmother's recipe.
We also talked about comfort foods, those special dishes that make us feel happy and remind us of home.
My comfort food is apple pie, and Lily's is her mom's chicken noodle soup.
We discussed desserts, too. Tom is a pie person, and I have a major sweet tooth for chocolate lava cake.
For snacks, I love salty potato chips, while Lily prefers healthier options like mixed nuts.
And we learned that everyone has different tastes. Tom doesn't like mushrooms.
And Lily can't eat raw oysters. But that's okay. We're all different.
Finally, we reviewed 10 important vocabulary words that you can use when talking about food.
I hope you took notes. These words will really help you sound more natural when discussing food in English.
Now it's time for the best part, talking to you, our wonderful viewers.
Yes, we love hearing from you. Your comments and stories make our day so much brighter.
So today we have a special question for you to answer in the comments.
Here's the question. What is your comfort food and why?
Yes, tell us about that special dish that makes you feel happy and safe. Is it something your grandmother used to make? Is it a traditional food from your country?
Maybe it's a simple dish like grilled cheese and tomato soup. Or maybe it's something more elaborate like a family recipe.
We want to know. And please tell us why it's your comfort food. What memories does it bring back?
Don't be shy. Write your answer in the comments below. We promise we'll read as many as we can.
And we might even reply to your comment. We love connecting with our viewers.
Remember, learning English is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's about sharing experiences and connecting with people from around the world.
Exactly. So please share your comfort food story with us. We can't wait to read them.
And who knows? Maybe we'll discover some amazing new foods we've never heard of before.
Well, everyone, we've reached the end of today's lesson.
This was such a fun conversation. I'm definitely hungry now.
Me too. I think I'm going to make ramen for dinner tonight.
That sounds perfect. I might make tacos.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video.
And give us a thumbs up. It really helps other English learners find our videos.
Next time, we're going to talk about hobbies and free time activities. It's going to be really interesting.
Yes, we'll teach you how to talk about what you like to do in your free time, and we'll share our own hobbies too.
So make sure you come back for that lesson.
All right, everyone. It's time to say goodbye.
Thank you so much for being here today.
Take care of yourselves.
And don't forget to enjoy some delicious food today.
Goodbye.
See you soon.
See you next time on To Speak Better Practice.